Guess what? I have officially earned the title of Microsoft's Most Valuable Professional. It's been quite the journey, a lot of hard work, but so rewarding. Today, I'm thrilled to share my top 5 tips that helped me reach the Azure MVP status. Let's dive in. Welcome, my name is Lionel, your Microsoft Certified Trainer and now Microsoft Azure MVP. Before diving into the heart of the matter, let's briefly redefine what an MVP is. Microsoft's most valuable professionals are technology experts who passionately share their knowledge with the community. We are approximately 3,000 technical experts spread across 90 countries, driven by our passion. Now, let's talk about this beautiful award. It's Microsoft's way of saying thanks to us for our work. For me, this award means a lot. It's a recognition of my efforts over the past years and also serves as additional motivation to continue helping the community. I've been honored in 2 categories, Microsoft Azure Compute Infrastructure and DevOps. 2 subjects you will frequently find on my YouTube channel. Now, let's talk about the benefits. We get early access to Microsoft's latest products, which means we can stay ahead of the curve and share insights with you. It's important to note that this access is under a non-disclosure agreement, an NDA, so we may not be able to share all the details, but I will do my best to communicate on topics where I have the authorization. Plus, we have direct communication channels with Microsoft product teams, so we can provide feedback and help shape the future of their tools. One of the highlights is the Global MVP Summit, an exclusive event held at Microsoft headquarters in Redmond. It's a chance for us to connect with other MVP worldwide and dive deep into the latest innovations. We also have a close relationship with our local Microsoft teams. They support us in addressing local needs and opportunities, ensuring we can make a real impact in our communities. And that's not all. We receive executive recognition letters along with subscriptions to Visual Studio for technical resources and Office 365 for productivity tools. There are several actions you can take to become an MVP. Among others, you can contribute code to projects by contributing to GitHub repositories. You can help others on technical forums. And finally, you can create content. This includes a lot of things like writing blog posts, sharing insights on LinkedIn, publishing technical articles on books, delivering speeches at events, organizing community gatherings, or producing YouTube videos. Don't feel obligated to do everything or to do like me. Do what suits you best on where you find the most enjoyment. Now let's talk about my personal journey and what I did. Firstly, I didn't necessarily aim for this award. I pursue it out of genuine interest, and I believe that's the best approach to becoming an MVP. I created a blog called thedevopstrainer.com several years ago, which you can find in the video description, that I have evolved over my career to focus mainly on DevOps and Azure Cloud. I also started a YouTube channel earlier this year. It probably wasn't considered for my nomination, but it will help me to renew my MVP status. I participated in and spoke at events on topics related to Microsoft Azure at local meetups and more famous conferences. I also became a Microsoft Certified Trainer to educate our clients on Azure technologies and improve my technical and teaching skills. Lastly, I had to be nominated by an actual MVP who contacted me spontaneously. Thanks again, Nuno. Before diving into the tips on how to become an MVP yourself, let's take a moment to acknowledge that becoming an MVP requires hard work and dedication. So if you have found value in this video and want to support my journey and my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to drop a comment below. Your engagement means a lot and I appreciate your support. Final chapter of our video, my tips for success in becoming an MVP. The first one is to do your own thing. Remember, each MVP has their own unique path. Don't feel pressured to copy what I've done. Follow your passion or, like me, step out of your comfort zone, such as I did by starting this YouTube channel. Start small, but start early. Then ask your company for support. Request dedicated time for your career growth. It's a win-win situation for everyone, especially if you are a consultant like me. And a special thank you to Socube for their support. Check out our website if you need help with Cloud Native, DevOps and everything related to Kubernetes and cloud computing. Also, an important tip given by other MVPs at the MCT Summit last year. Do it with patience. Remember, it's not a sprint. If you eventually become an MVP, you will want to maintain it for years. Find the right pace and be genuinely passionate about Microsoft products. Moreover, of course, you need to work hard, but don't forget to advertise yourself. If you want to be noticed by current MVPs, you need to put yourself out there. Whether it's on LinkedIn, social media, attending events, or building your network. Finally, one thing I wish I knew earlier: document everything. Keep track of every action you take towards becoming an MVP. Note down the number of blog posts, titles, viewership statistics, publication dates, events you have spoken at, forum resolutions, GitHub commits, and more. When you are nominated, having a solid record of your achievements will be invaluable. That's a wrap for our video. I hope now you have a better understanding of what MVPs are and how to become one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you soon. Hey, thank you so much for dropping by my channel today. Here are some other videos that might interest you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be informed of the weekly updates. Let's keep growing a fantastic learning community together. My goal is to assist as many people as possible on their cloud and DevOps learning journey. That's it, take care and see you next time.